Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Jimmy brings another new collection video, but today we have many different kinds of toys. Let's check them out. Woohoo! Starting with this. Wow, very nice and amazing looking garbage truck. Whoa, look at the beautiful color combination. Wow, orange, yellow, red. Whoa, wow, customizable and foldable. Sheesh, look at this, a nice looking garbage truck. Whoa, wow. Alright, give me back. Next, whoa, a fuel tanker. Wow, orange and yellow fuel tanker. Woohoo! Nice. An oil tank truck. Wow. Next comes a miniature fire rescue truck. Woo! Look at this anime character. He is kawaii, no? Whoa! Okay, Mr. Miniature, in the bag. Next, whoa! A city center. Yellow double-decker bus. Wow! A very nice and elegant looking city center bus. Whoa! Sheesh! Next comes urban sanitization vehicle. Whoa! Green recycling white urban sanitization vehicle. Whoa! What a nice looking truck. Wow, recycling truck. Whoa! Yay! A shiny, elegant water tank truck. Whoa! Nice. Magnificent, isn't it? Whee! Okay. Next comes, yay! Yopo! A mini tourist bus. Whoa, so cute. My God, it's beautiful. Sheesh. All right. Next, whoa, a shiny cement mixer. Red, gray, crimson red, vermilion red, cement mixer. Wow! Woohoo! Yellow green color combination, powerful speedboat. Okay, here you go in the blue lagoon. Next, whoa, the powerful rescue vehicle, a towing truck. Wow, nice, very nice. Yay! Woo! I hope you like it. Rescue vehicle. Wow! sweeper. Whoa! Road cleaning vehicle. Powerful road sweeper. Yay! It can also sweep snows from Canada. Whoa! In the back. Alright, next comes yellow and orange canister fuel truck. Whoa, 100T, no smoking fuel truck. Wow, in the back. Sheesh! Yay! Whoa! A garbage truck! Wow! Yellow, blue, and gray garbage truck! Whoa! Wow! Beautiful! Very beautiful! Alright! Next, red oil tanker. Wow, powerful 119 red oil tanker from Chifeng. Whoa. Whoa. A mini sports bike from 911. Wow! Whoa, look at the speed. Hey! My. Damn, it's McQueen and his cousin. In between, a powerful Batmobile Lamborghini. Whoa! Look at it. It's very heavy, remote control, and very strong. Wow! Beautiful, elegant Lamborghini. Woohoo! Wow! Alright, in the back. Next comes OG Powerful McQueen. Wow! Hold on, there's more to it. Engine power! 9.5 power McQueen. Woo! Metal body. Alright. Yep. Very strong. In the back. And it's his cousin, but it's a transformer vehicle. Wow! Sheesh! Yellow taxi like racing car. Whoa! Okay, in the back. Hey, Iron Man. Whoa! Hello, Tony Stark. Alright, I'll show you. This is the thing which we have seen before. Whoa! Very powerful Iron Man mask. Wow! Alright. Next is a Spiderman mask. Whoa! Look at this. Very nice looking, very powerful, and red color. I hope you like it. Alright, in the bowl. Next is, whoa, a powerful red dump truck. Whoa, look at the size of it. It's very heavy and gigantic. Wow, we love this. Woo! A powerful and gigantic dump truck. Whoa, it's in the back. Two more dump trucks. Hey, one is a construction vehicle and another one is also a construction vehicle. Whoa! Hope you like the color combinations. They are also cousins. Whoa! They are also in the bag. Alright, that's all for today's video. Hope you like it. Take care.